Ironman Levitating figure. It is the best amazing toy for Iron Man fans. The intricate design of the armor has been faithfully reproduced with its gold and red coloring carefully painted with a metallic appearance. The figure features a special magnetic levitation base which allows you to pose the Mk3 flying without needing to connect it to any stand. The figure also features LED light-up effects in the eyes, reactor, legs and base. The height of this toy is 180 millimeters, but it still looks very impressive. The price of this incredible Iron Man toy is $150. Dark Knight Batman Folding Knife. It is a Batman-inspired dual-blade pocket knives. Even Batman also would like to have this weapon. It is a double-edged knife with a distinctive handle finish. The blades are made up of grade 440 stainless steel. The length of each blade is 7 centimeters. The knife is less than 28 centimeters long, which is the perfect size for a pocket-sized accessory. The manufacturer is offering a huge number of color options too. This Dark Knight Batman folding knife costs you $19. Lenovo Jedi Challenges. This invention from Lenovo takes you to galaxy far, far away. We all love to watch Star Wars films. But the film lasts up to hours only. But this device takes you beyond the movie. You all can become a superhero with this gadget. These are augmented reality glasses with a lightsaber hilt. However, it doesn't produce a light beam, but everything changes when you put on those AR glasses and headset. It has various types of game modes. The first one is you can fight with the enemy. And the second mode allows you to fight with your friend. Moreover, it costs around $200. ASP Max Power Arm Blaster. It is fully made of polymer body. With this arm blaster you can play with your friends at a very cheap price for its projectiles. It can be fired with just a movement of your finger. Water gel balls are safe for indoor use and fire at a low velocity, and these are very soft and light. These doesn't create any discomfort and damage on the impact. The projectile's maximum range is 15 meters. It is a 2-in-1 toy, dual ammo weapons that use water gel balls or foam darts, making them great for both outdoor and indoor use. Water gel bullets are cheap and easy to resupply and make a satisfying sound when they hit their target. This water bullet guns are a great way to have fun around the house. And it costs around $40. Thor Mjolnir USB Flashdrive. It is a collectible item that appeals to the heart of Marvel fans. The USBs are always essential for adults. But why sticking to the standard models? Here is a USB flash drive that matches the tiny version of the Thor's hammer. This is very detailing. The head has a characteristic of hammer and a handle grip, and its end is decorated with small leather strap. It weighs 50 grams. The manufacturer American company, Fantasy USB, offers you 3 models of 8, 16 or 32 gigabytes. The transfer rate is 18 megabytes per second for reading, and 12 megabytes per second for writing. The price varies according to its storage, either $26, $31 or $36. Star Wars The Child. This is a small Yoda-like small figure from The Mandalorian. This 11-inch The Child plush toy will capture the hearts of Star Wars fans everywhere. The figure is made of vinyl which can make an extra sounds, for example it can move its ears, head and eyes. If you touch the back of Grogu's head, he starts making funny sounds from giggle and bubbling to tired sighs and force effect sounds. Anyone who has an extra $60 can own the Baby Yoda. Darth Vader Helmet. This is the helmet which makes the Star Wars fans happy. Black, shiny and fully enclosed. It looks exactly like Darth Vader's helmet. The helmet allows you to see, hear and breathe while you are wearing it. It has integrated sound speakers in that helmet. If you switch the button, the helmet produces a sound allowing you to imitate the force or characteristic breathing of Darth Vader. The price of this Darth Vader helmet is $800. Marvel Dancing Groot. The last one on our list is Dancing Groot. Speaking of Marvel and Avengers, we can't miss this Dancing Groot. This 30 cm figure and has an inbuilt music from Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 and dances to it. Baby Groot is also capable of recognizing music from other sources. In this case, he will keep you company and dancing with him. The price of this Baby Groot is $46. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Saved. Meet you in the next one.